Hello students, and welcome to the fifth video here on our series of videos on solving complex or more complicated functions and inequalities. So let's do this problem here where it says solve for x when f of x is equal to x minus 2 over x plus 3. So f of x here really doesn't, we really don't need this. We can just look at this problem here. Okay? F of x doesn't hurt anything, but maybe a little bit less confusing to deal with this. So the absolute values makes things a little bit more interesting. So let's first find the undefined values. Well, it's going to be undefined when x plus 3 equals 0, which means x equals negative 3. So if you put x equals negative 3 in there, it's going to be undefined. Where are the zeros? Well, the zeros is going to be wherever the numerator is equal to 0, so that's going to be equal to 2. Now we can make our little sign chart. Negative 3, 2. I know this is a 0. I know this is undefined. Well, what if I put a number in that is less than negative 3? So we can try negative 10. If I put negative 10 into the numerator, I get a negative answer. If I put negative 10 into here, it doesn't matter what I put in here because the absolute value is always going to make that denominator a negative number. So I know this is going to be negative. When I have a negative divided by a positive, it's going to be negative. What if I needed something that is between negative 3 and 2? Well, let's try zero. Now, whenever you get the chance to try 0, you should definitely do it. Well, let's see here. You put 0 in the numerator, you're going to get a negative number. You put 0 in the denominator, again, doesn't matter because of the absolute value, so that's going to be positive. So a negative over a positive, once again, negative. Let's go something larger than negative, larger than positive 2. So larger, or greater, I should say, than 2. So we can try, 5. If I substitute in 5 in the top here, I get a positive 3. So no matter what number bigger than 2 I put in there, I'm going to get a positive answer. And in the bottom, once again, positive. So this leads me to conclude that if I put anything bigger than 2 in here, I'm going to get a positive answer. And here we want a solution where where the whole thing is greater than or equal to 0. So that's here onwards. So the solution is x is greater than or equal to 2. Okay? Or in function or in interval notation, 2 bracket inclusive to positive infinity. Okay. So if you're watching this fifth series here and you're doing this as part of your homework, there is going to be another video for this, but I am not going to post it yet. I will post it at a later time because I think it is possible for you to solve this problem on your own, and there's some more problems attached to this note sheet that I'd like you to try on your own as well. So I will post the solution to this later, but not right now, and I'd like you to try it on your own and ask me for help if you have a hard time with it. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.